Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum class, I'm Miss Amna Tahir. Today's video lecture is based on worksheets. I have made 2 worksheets for you of unit number 3. So let's read out one by one. Okay, this is your worksheet number 1 first. The Western calendar is divided into BC and AD. BC stands for before the birth of Prophet Isa. AD stands for after the birth of Prophet Isa. Second, BC refers to the time before the birth of Prophet Isa. Third, the Indus Valley Civilization was modern civilization for its time. Indus Valley Civilization अपने time की modern civilization कहलाई जाती थी. Fourth, the people of Indus Valley were traders and farmers. Fifth, decipher means to understand the meaning and message of writing. Decipher किसे कहते हैं? किसी भी writing style के meaning या message को समझना. Sixth, Aryans were the warriors that came from Central Asia. Warrior means Jangju. Now coming to the second half part of worksheet number 1. Seventh, at the time of Aryans, Hinduism was introduced to subcontinent. Eighth, Muhammad bin Qasim introduced Islam to subcontinent. Ninth, people of Kailash Valley are descendants of Greek warriors. Descendants means ancestors, nasleं. 10th, Afghan Emperor Babur began Mughal Empire. Babur ने Mughal Empire start की. 11th, Jahangir was known as just leader. 12th, Shah Jahan was a Greek architect. Architect कहते हैं माहिर तामीरात को. 13th, Humayun was exiled and defeated by Sher Shah Suri. Exiled means जिला वतन कर देना, वतन से निकाल देना. Okay, coming to the second worksheet. First, light bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. Second, Henry Ford invented Model T cars. Third, the process of growing food and farming is called agriculture. Agriculture means zaraat. Number 4, Abu al-Qasim had made inventions in surgical procedures. Surgical procedures means jismani operation. 5th, Ibn Battuta was a famous traveler. 6th, Ibn Sina made inventions in medicine and philosophy. Philosophy means falsafa. This is the second part of the worksheet. 7th, Sultan Ahmed Mosque is in Turkey. 8th, the discovery of fire is the earliest discovery in human history. Human history में सबसे earliest, सबसे पहली discovery किस चीज़ की थी? Fire की थी. 9th, WWW is the abbreviation of World Wide Web. 10th, Ibn Battuta wrote the first travelogue book named Rihla. Ibn Battuta ने अपनी फर्स्ट ट्रैवलिंग बुक जिसमें उन्होंने अपने ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में लिखा था उसका नाम क्या था? रिहला. 11th, something that is new, innovative and modern for its time is invention. Innovative means something that is new. 12th, Baghdad is referred as the house of wisdom. Wisdom means danai. So students, these worksheets contain the basic main points of the chapter. It won't be difficult for you if you have understood all the concepts. So you all are advised to fill your worksheets neatly, and till then take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.